there was no damage. Everything was okay with them, and which they were. So I signed the papers, trucker took off. I picked up these sweet Massey decals. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Austin, and I work at Full Line Ag, a farm equipment dealership located in the beautiful province of Saskatchewan, Canada. And I am glad to have you guys back for another video. So this morning here, I am just sitting and waiting for a trucker to show up with a load of Massey Ferguson garden tractors, the small little subcompact tractors. And hopefully he comes here soon. It is Sunday of the long weekend, and I figured I would come here and get these unloaded. That way the trucker doesn't have to wait around, kind of twiddling his thumbs until Tuesday. So that's why I'm here. I'm hoping he can show up quickly and we can get him unloaded. So here is the fresh load of GCs, the Massey garden tractors. So we got this one running, and now we're gonna put into neutral. Cycle the glow plugs just by holding it to the right. That one, the throttle was bumped up. Put it into a little snail. Parking brake is on. Now on to the next one. So we're gonna lift the front end loader just a hair so it is off the trailer. And we'll go into low, parking brake, and just back up a little bit. And then we're gonna lift it now when we're not gonna hit the other one. And then just watch that front tire so we don't back off the edge of the trailer. Give it a little more throttle. And now we're going down onto the ramp. So I'm gonna lift that front end loader a little higher just so when these front tires drop down, we're not gonna slam that front end loader into the guy's trailer. We'll lower the front end loader. Throttle down, turn it off, and move up to the next one. trucker is off. The GCs are all lined up. Backing over there, I am going to close this gate. Eyelash in my eye. I am going to close this gate now because you would be surprised at how many farmers, it seemed like, just wait for this to be open to come in. So now, before the trucker left, I had to go through and kind of visually inspect each and every one of these, make sure that the serial number matched the serial number on the paper, and kind of make sure there was no damage. Everything was okay with them, in which they were. So I signed the papers, trucker took off, and now I am going to probably take each one of these and drive them around to the front of the dealership and park them there for the weekend. Show these bad boys off. I decided to move them just over here, actually, right underneath this overhang that we have on the one side of the building. This way they can all sit underneath some shelter. We're supposed to get some rain tomorrow, Monday. Fingers crossed, because we desperately need it. But this way they'll sit here and slowly, just one by one, go in and get a unit number made for them. The keys will all be tagged with the corresponding unit number. They will also be run through their PDI, which is their pre-delivery inspection. Essentially just running each of the machines, making sure there's grease and there's oil where there needs to be, and then they'll pretty much be ready to be sold. So there's not a whole lot to these tractors to PDI and get them ready, which is nice, and it'll be good. It's just in time for summer, and people will be rotor tilling their gardens and moving stuff around using the front end loader, so these tractors will be perfect for them. But I think that's where we're gonna end today's video. It's gonna be a little short and sweet one. I kind of just wanted to get that on footage and show you guys how it is when those little tractors arrive and unloading those things. So I'm gonna go home now. I'm gonna do a little bit of stuff around my house. I picked up these sweet Massey decals. I guess they're not really decals, they're emblems. But I am going to, probably today at some point, put them somewhere on my truck. I think it'll look pretty cool for the Full Line Ag Arm Equipment Superstore. That F fell off. But anyways, that is enough of me rambling on. I appreciate you guys watching my videos. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and hit that subscribe button down below, and we will catch you in the next video, I guess. Thanks for watching.